Every autumn, I like to go to the forest to observe nature and mushrooms. The air is filled with the scent of falling leaves, creating a special autumn smell, sweet and fresh. The sounds of autumn are also special. The rustle of leaves underfoot, the singing of birds, the whisper of the wind in the branches of trees. All this creates a unique atmosphere of peace and harmony. This time, I came to a beautiful forest clearing, where very interesting mushrooms grow on the trees. These medicinal mushrooms are very popular in Ukraine, and many people use them for medicinal purposes. These mushrooms are known as Fomes fomentarius, or Tinder fungi, and can be found on old, still living trees or on dead, rotten tree trunks. These fungi are parasitic on old trees. The perennial Tinder fungus, a saprophyte, causes white rot, and the wood tissue becomes brittle and fragile. In traditional Chinese medicine, this mushroom is used as part of a complex therapy to treat diseases of the throat, uterus, and stomach. It stimulates various immune cells and processes that prevent the development of disease and the proliferation of tumor cells. All the substances in the mushroom act only on tumor cells, and these compounds are not toxic to normal cells in the body. Older mushrooms may have small cracks on the surface. The color of the cap of the fruiting body varies from light gray to dark gray. These living organisms break down dead plant remains, converting them into inorganic and simple organic compounds. As a rule, this type of fungus continues to live on trees long after their death, changing from a parasite to a decomposer. Fungi decompose dead tree remains and return mineral salts to the soil and water, making them available to other plants. This completes the biotic cycle. This mushroom produces very large fruiting bodies that resemble a horse's hoof. The color of the mushrooms varies from silver gray to almost black, although they are usually brown. In the autumn and winter, the Tinder mushroom can shed a very large number of spores. There may be millions or even billions of spores. This process takes place in the autumn, usually from September to November, when the fungus is actively growing, developing and forming its fruiting bodies. Tinder fungus spores are dispersed by wind or water and can come in a variety of sizes and shapes, making them easy to spread over long distances. Typically, Tinder fungus spores are very small, making them invisible to the naked eye and only visible under a microscope. This period of spore release is designed to create new colonies and extend their life cycle. This is an important stage in the reproduction of fungi that takes place in the autumn. Fungi have different strategies to survive and compete with each other. Some fungi can secrete substances that inhibit the growth of other fungi or even kill them. The betulinic acid in this medicinal mushroom has been shown to have strong antiviral properties. So potent, in fact, that it is currently being investigated as a potential antiviral agent for the treatment of HIV infection. The mushroom contains a compound called peptamine. This compound has very powerful antibacterial activity. It is able to kill various bacteria. It is also known from ancient texts that this mushroom has been used to treat tuberculosis since time immemorial. Since ancient times, healers and doctors have used this mushroom to stop bleeding and treat wounds. For this reason, the medicinal mushroom was called surgeon's agaric.